Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by installing the TI-Nspire CX desktop application or the Computer Link utility and making sure your computer's OS is supported. Once installed, plug the original USB 8mm cable into the computer, but don't attach the calculator yet. Make sure the calculator has fresh batteries or a charge above 20% so transfers won't abort. Now power the calculator on and unlock any screen prompts. Then plug it into the cable so the software can detect the device and show a connection status. Once the desktop app shows your TI-Nspire CX, navigate to the Documents or Devices pane to manage files. You can drag and drop TNS documents, teacher files, or software packages onto the calculator icon. Alternatively, select files and choose Send or Transfer from the menu. If you need to install or update the calculator OS, pick Update or Install OS inside the application and follow on-screen prompts. This replaces low-level firmware and may take several minutes, so do not disconnect. To finish, use the application's eject or disconnect command, then unplug the USB cable from both ends. Make sure transferred files appear in the calculator's documents view and open one to confirm a successful transfer. Run a quick calculation or graph to verify functionality. If the computer doesn't detect the device, make sure the calculator is powered on, try a different USB port or cable, and reinstall the TI software drivers. These steps resolve most connection or driver conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.